We're back, but we bought our dump trailer because they decided to move forward, y'all. Yes, they chose this abandoned building. Could you picture yourself taking on a project like this? Let us know in the comments. Ready to see this building transform? Then go ahead and like the video.
Going after goals, I ain't got no time to waste. Sitchy getting sticky, but I still keep the pace. Niggas trying to beat me when I never called the race. Thought it was real love, turned out the shit was fake. Can't fuck up my motion. Cruise, now we coasting. Make my own wave like a boat that's in the ocean. Get took by the tide, but you gotta stay focused. Losing the track of time, I leave your ass wide open. People owe me money, try not to involve the K. Wanna keep it a beam, but they lying to my face. Please don't take for weak, my other side don't play. Just watch how you move, cause we're from a small place. Shawty say she love me, and that's just straight. 40 on me in the 380, my throwaway. You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way. I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow ways. Bet it make her scream when them dreams ain't far away. She in a dream and you can see it on her face. Seen that money stream, now baby, that's my type of way. That's my type of way. Making money while I'm asleep, now that's my type of pay. Quit smoking the weed just to keep my mind right and figure out our needs. I let that bread stack and take care of my seeds, cause the money in the fam is the only thing I need. Cribs across the city, can't decide where to live. Really can't do the neighbors, my neighbors' trees and fields.
Did you put it all the way in there? Hey, did you put it
in there, but it came out?
There's still stuff in there. That door right there? Something going on with that door.
On the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it. Making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it.
So Bay is currently making him a DIY ladder slash step thing stool. To get up here. Be careful. Oh my God. Is that recycle? I mean scrap or both scrap. What's that wire on there? That white wire? Oh wow.
I don't see competition, I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. In the basement with my daughter on my lap, writing raps, trying to figure how to come up with a stack. But I know I just need to strap these tools up on my back. That slow dough, how I'ma make a milli doing that.
Word to mother. Oh, never mind. And I'll put that on so. On so. I'll put that on so. That's it. Time to clean it up.
So you want to know what's gonna happen with this ceiling? You gotta stay tuned, guys, and make sure you like this video if you like to see videos like this.
Woo, okay, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you leave a like, and always know if you want more art life, go to ARTTlife.com.